Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare Krishna. We are in Jvala Narsimha Kshetra, and behind me you can see the temple. We had a very wonderful darshan. We saw the Abhishek at close quarters, and we had special mercy of Lord Narsimha Deva. And I heard that Jvala means fury, fire, flame, and Lord Narsimha was in great anger when he actually killed the Asura Hiranyakashipu. And after that he assumed this beautiful form here, and he is known to be very, very merciful to the devotees. As soon as we did Kirtan, we all had special Abhishek and Darshan, and the Pujari was very pleased because we called out the names of Lord Narsimha. He was very happy. And right here across me, you will see a big hill. It is called the Garuda hill. You can see Garuda with its two wings stretched. The whole hill is called Garuda Malai here. And this thing that you see here is his body, and these are his two wings on either sides. So we had the opportunity to be here in this very scenic place and enjoy the special darshan of Lord Narsimha Deva, and also pray to him for all the devotees and all the projects in Coimbatore, in Kerala, and all other places that normally I oversee. Om Tat Sat. Hare Krishna. Nrsimhadev Bhagavan ki, Bhaktaraj Prahlad Maharaj ki.